guys, who doesn't love makeup? We all do, right? Especially when you don't have to spend a fortune on it and can make it at home within 15 minutes. So let me first show you how to make a gel eyeliner. So use a spatula or any sharp object to scrape it. Now take some Vaseline and mix it with the eyeshadow well till the time it achieves good consistency. Now add a drop or two of almond oil to smoothen the texture. Now stir the mixture well. Now take a small container and transfer all the mixture into it. So as you can see, our gel liner is ready in less than 10 minutes and it's highly pigmented. And now we're going to make our own matte lipstick. So for this you either need an old eyeshadow or a blush. And now we're going to take a small bowl and start scraping the blush into it. Now break all the lumps into a fine powder. To give it a matte texture, add some matte foundation to it. Now guys, this is the perfect opportunity to make use of the foundation that was probably the wrong shade for you. Last but not the least, add a few drops of almond oil into it. This would just make your lipstick less dry. So your matte lipstick is ready, and this process is so easy that you can make your own multiple matte lipsticks at home easily. And now we're going to make our own cream blush. So take out any lipstick that you don't use anymore but would still like to incorporate its color into a blush. Now take a small bowl and scrape the lipstick into it. And now we're going to melt the lipstick by heating it in a microwave for 10 seconds. And now we're going to add a drop or two of almond oil for a creamier consistency. So your DIY cream blush is ready. So girls, I hope you like this video. Do let me know which of these DIYs would you like to try in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to POPxo.com.